Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Facebook logout not working. So our first solution is we need to update our Facebook app. To do that, go to your Play Store and search here Facebook. If you see any update available, then download the update for your Facebook app. Then log into your account and check the problem is fixed or not. And our second solution is we need to uninstall our Facebook app. To do that, open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on app management. From this list, open Facebook, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache, tap on clear data, and after that tap on back and tap on uninstall. Once you uninstalled your Facebook, go to Play Store and search your Facebook. Once you get it, you'll need to reinstall your Facebook app and log into your account and check the problem is fixed or not. And the last solution is we need to use Facebook Lite instead of Facebook. So for that, search here Facebook Lite and install Facebook Lite and log into your account and check the problem is fixed or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.